In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Wealthfront High-Yield Savings Account Review for 2025. So let's dive in and explore what makes Wealthfront a potentially great option for your savings. First, you'll want to head over to the Forbes Advisor website, where you can find a comprehensive review of the Wealthfront Cash Management Account for 2025. This article is highly detailed and offers a wealth of information. It's written by Kevin Payne, who has a notable background in personal finance, having crafted content in this space for over 6 years through various media, including an award-winning blog focused on family finance. Understanding the credibility of the source is crucial when evaluating financial products, so this is a great place to start. In the review, you'll find an overall verdict section. This offers a concise evaluation of what Wealthfront brings to the table in terms of interest rates, ease of use, and overall viability as a cash management account. Exploring this section will give you a quick understanding of whether Wealthfront aligns with your financial goals. The review also goes into the pros and cons of the Wealthfront cash management account. This feature is particularly helpful if you're weighing different options, as it outlines key benefits, such as competitive interest rates and user-friendly interfaces, alongside potential drawbacks like the limitations on accessing physical branches or certain transaction types. Having this balanced view offers clarity and aids in making an informed decision. It's also important to understand the basic features of a Wealthfront account. In this review, you'll come across sections detailing account basics and how it differs from other Wealthfront offerings. This includes details on any minimum deposit requirements, fees, and access features that make the account unique or compelling. For those who are always on the move, the review touches on accessibility, emphasizing how you can manage your account via app or online platform, adding convenience to your banking experience. Coupled with the outlined fees, you'll better understand the total cost of ownership of a Wealthfront account, ensuring transparency in financial planning. The article also provides insights on how Wealthfront measures up against other competitors like SoFi, Vanguard, and Schwab. These comparisons highlight where Wealthfront stands out and any areas where it may lag behind, providing context that is crucial for those shopping around for the best savings option. Lastly, the review answers the all-important question: is Wealthfront worth it? This segment rounds up all the discussed points and gives a summarized recommendation based on current trends and user feedback. Hopefully, this guide helps you navigate through the comprehensive review efficiently and adds to your decision-making arsenal when considering high-yield savings account options. Always remember to also assess if the discussed strengths align with your personal financial aspirations and needs. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your financial journey.